Morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Yes, children, tell me how you are behaving at home. Of course, you are behaving good at home, right? Yes. Are you obeying your parents and elders and everyone? Yes. If you are, then you are good children. You are good children, right? Are you helping your parents at home and completing your work in time? Yes, you should. Good children always obey everyone. They never tell lies, okay, or they never use any bad words. That's why good children are always loved by all. See, if your behavior is good, if you respect and obey everyone, then all will like you, right? Everyone will love you. You want to be loved by others, right? So to become a good children, you should obey everyone. Your behavior should be good. You should do all your work in time. Then only you will be loved by all. And I know you are okay. Why am I telling all this? Because I know that you're all good children. You're all good children, right? Today we are going to learn a beautiful and interesting poem. Okay, interesting poem. And what poem? Let us see. So please children, open your textbook, page number 1. As I told you that today we are going to learn a beautiful and interesting poem. So our title of the poem is A Good Boy. A Good Boy, written by R.L. Stevenson. Okay. R.L. Stevenson is poet of A Good Boy. Okay. This poem is all about good boy. Okay. So let us begin. I will first read, then I'll explain you. Okay. Yes. I woke before the morning. I was happy all the day. I never said an ugly word, but smiled and stuck to play. And now, at last the sun is going down behind the wood. And I am very happy, for I know that I have been good. My bed is waiting cool and fresh, with linen smooth and fair. And I must off to sleep in by, and not forget my prayer. I know that till tomorrow I shall see the sun arise. No ugly dream shall fright my mind, no ugly sight my eyes. But slumber hold me tight, till I waken in the dawn, and hear the thrushes singing in the lilacs round the lawn. Beautiful poem, right children? Now let me explain you. See here. I woke before the morning. I was happy all the day. Means the boy here, he wakes up every day. He wakes up early in the morning. Before the morning means before sun rises. Okay. So this boy woke up early in the morning. He is a early riser. This boy is a early riser. So he wakes up early in the morning. I was happy all the day. He was happy all the day. Why? See, I never said an ugly word, but smiled and stuck to play. Okay, he never used to say any ugly word. Ugly word. Children, underline ugly word here. Yes. Ugly word means bad words. So this boy, he never uses or he never say any bad words to others. He always carry smile and stuck to play. Underline stuck to play here children. Yes. Stuck to play means he kept on playing whole day. He kept on playing whole day. So this boy, when he wakes up early in the morning, he was very happy all the day. He was very happy. Why he was very happy all the day? Because he never uses any ugly word always carry smile on his face, and stuck to play means kept playing. Kept playing. Understood, children? Now. And now, at last, the sun is going down behind the wood, and I am very happy, for I know that I have been good. Means, okay, now the sun is going down behind the wood. The sun is going down behind the wood means the sun is setting. The sun is setting now. It's a evening time now. Okay, sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. So, it is evening time now, and child is very happy. Child is very happy. I know that I have been good means, what does it means, children? It means boy is very happy and confident about his happiness, as he never said any bad words. Ugly words means bad words. He never said any bad words. Always he smiled and kept on playing whole day. Kept on playing whole day. So here, children, please underline behind. Okay, please underline behind here. Now, let us move to next answer. My bed is waiting cool and fresh, with linen smooth and fair, and I must off to sleep sin by, and not forget my prayer. Now it's time for boy to go to bed. Okay, his bed is waiting, which is cool and fresh. Which is cool and fresh, with linen smooth and fair. Linen, please underline linen here, children, and fair. Linen means bed cloth. Okay, and fair here means beautiful. So his cloth, his bed cloth is very cool, fresh. Okay, cool, fresh and beautiful. And I must off to sleep sin by, and not forget my prayer. Means this boy never forgets to pray God before sleeping. Yes, children, see, when you wake up in the morning, okay, when you wake up in the morning, what you do? You take bath, and after taking bath, you will pray God, right? Yes, you should pray God. Not only in the morning, but evening also. Before you go to sleep, you should always pray God and sleep. Okay, you should always remember God. Because, why? Because you are good children. So, he is also good children, good boy. Okay, so he never forgets to pray before sleeping. Understood? Now, okay, here underline sleeps in by. Okay, now, I know that till tomorrow I shall see the sun arise. No ugly dream shall fright my mind, no ugly sight my eyes. Here, after his prayer, boy is saying that I know that, means he know that, and he is very confident that till next day, means till tomorrow. Till tomorrow means till next morning, till next day, when the sun will arise. Okay, see here, till tomorrow I shall see the sun arise, means when sun will arise, because he wakes up early in the morning. He wakes up early in the morning. So before sun arise, no bad dream. See here, no ugly dream shall fright my mind, no ugly sight my eyes. Means fright here. Fright means frighten. Underline fright here, children. Underline tomorrow also. Fright. Fright means frighten, scare. Like, see, if you like, suppose in sleep, if you see any thing which is which horrifies you, means how you will be? You will be very scared. Okay, So here also see, no ugly dream shall fright. Fright means frighten my mind, no ugly sight my eyes. So before sunrise, no bad dream will frighten him, because every night before going to bed he prays to God. He prays to God and he sleeps. So, and no ugly sight my eyes means no dream will frighten him, no bad scene will come before his eyes. So please underline sight. Okay. Now but slumber hold me tightly till I waken in the dawn and hear the thrushes singing in the lilacs round the lawn. He is saying that he will have a good and sound sleep. Here, but slumber holds me tightly. Slumber, underline slumber. Underline slumber, children. Slumber here means sound sleep. Okay, slumber here means sound sleep. So the boy here saying that he will have a good and sound sleep till he wakes up in the morning. Till he wakes up in the morning. Hold me tightly when I waken in the dawn. Dawn. Dawn here means, what is the meaning of dawn here? Please underline dawn. Yes, dawn means the time just before sunrise. Means the time just before sun rises is called dawn. So the boy is saying that he will have a good and sound sleep till he wakes up in the morning. Okay, and hear the thrushes, underline thrushes, singing in the lilacs round the lawn. Underline lilacs and lawn. Now, and hear the thrushes. And hear the thrushes means when he wakes up early in the morning, he will hear the thrushes. Thrushes means song, birds song. Okay, thrushes here means birds song, singing in the lilacs round the lawn. Means when he wakes up early in the morning, he will hear birds singing in the garden. Lawn means garden. Lawn means garden. So the birds singing in the garden where there are small plants. Okay, where there are, lilacs means small plants or shrubs with sweet smelling flowers. So here when he wakes up in the morning, he will hear the birds singing in the garden where there are small plants with very sweet smelling flowers. Okay. So this is all about a good boy. So this is the poem A Good Boy, written by R.L. Stevenson. So children, whatever you underlined, okay, this you have to write in your English classwork book, new words. These are new words. Okay, so please write in your English classwork. Hope you understood the poem children. See, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. So that's all about today's class. Take care. Bye-bye.